Hey, so if Leonardo AI is stuck on generating, yeah, like it just keeps loading, never finishes, or freezes mid-process, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, just refresh the page. I mean, sometimes the generation process gets stuck due to a temporary glitch. Next, yeah, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, unstable connection can freeze the generation process. Now, sometimes it's just server delay. I mean, wait a couple of minutes before retrying. Yeah, cancel the stuck generation and start again. I mean, this clears temporary processing errors. Now, some models can get overloaded. Switching to a different model can fix the issue. Yeah, very long or complex prompts can slow down generation. Try simplifying your prompt. Now, cached data can freeze the generation process. Clearing cache often fixes it. Yeah, extensions can interfere with generation scripts. Try disabling them temporarily. If nothing works, try incognito mode or another browser. I mean, this helps bypass local issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Leonardo AI stuck on generating. Most of the time, it's server delays, cache issues, or browser conflicts. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.